back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be discussing about the questions which are already asked in the Oracle interview. Many times what happens when we are preparing for the interview, we just go and browse so many platforms about the interview questions about the company. So I have just gathered these questions which are already been asked, and I'm going to discuss those questions one by one so that it will be helpful for the people who are going to prepare about the Oracle interview or someone who is having their interview in pipeline. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. So now let's get started. So here are the questions which I have gathered. So I'll just discuss these questions one by one. I'm not going to discuss these questions with the solution. I'll just go through all the questions which I have gathered one by one. But if you need solution of any of the questions, let me know in the comment section, or I can make a separate video with the solution. If I make the solution of all the problems in this video, the video will become so long, so I don't want to do that. So I've just taken only the questions for this video. If someone needs solution about the questions, let me know in the comment section. I can make a separate video for that. So the first question is here: given the heads of two sorted list and merge them into a single sorted linked list and return the head of the merged list. So first question says that you are given two sorted linked list and then you have to merge it, and then you have to return the head of the merged linked list. So this is related to linked list. The second question is again similar on the sorted list, but here it is not the linked list, here it's just that array. So you are given two sorted array, nums1 and nums2, and then you have to merge nums2 into nums1 as one sorted array without using extra space. So here constraint is given that you don't have to use that extra space, you have to just use the array which are given as an input. Basically you have to sort the array in place, so you don't need to take any extra space. Then next question is, you have 8 chocolates and 3 mice. Exactly one chocolate is poisonous and a mouse dies instantly after eating the poisonous chocolate. So find the poisonous chocolate in the minimum number of attempts. So here you have to find the minimum number of attempts to find that which is the poisonous chocolate. So that is the question. The next question is, this is related to designing a game. So we know like everybody tic-tac-toe game must have played, and this is the same one. So the question is, design and implement a tic-tac-toe game where two players can alternately place X and O on a 3x3 grid. Detect whether a player has won. The game is draw or if it is still ongoing. So we have to design a tic-tac-toe game. For designing this tic-tac-toe game, I have already created a video on my channel. If you want to get the solution of this question, you can go and check out my video. This is already in my channel. Next question is, given a 2D grid of characters and a word, and determine if the word exists in the grid. The word can be constructed from the adjacent letter horizontally or vertically, but the same cell cannot be reused. Now I'll discuss question number 6. So given the head of a singly linked list, reverse list and return the new head. So again this is related to singly linked list, where a linked list is given and you have to reverse the complete linked list and then you have to return the head of the reversed list. Next question is, given an integer, return true if it is palindrome without converting it to a string. So this is related to palindrome. We know like what palindrome is, right? When we reverse the number, it should be same. So that is palindrome. So you are given an integer number, you have to return true if it is a palindrome. Next question is again related to linked list, where you have to detect the cycle. So you are given a head of a linked list and determine if it contains a cycle. If there is a cycle, return the node where the cycle begins. So we have to return the node from the list if there is a cycle in that. Then question number 9 says that given a weighted graph and source node, find the shortest path to all other nodes. So this is related to graph problems, where you are given a weighted graph and a source node, and then you have to find all the shortest path from all the other nodes. Next question is given a sorted array and a target value. Return the index of the target using binary search. If not found, return -1. So again, this is binary search, where you are given a sorted array. We know like binary search can be applied on a sorted array. So the array is already sorted and target value is given. We have to find the index of the target value using binary search. Now let's come to question number 11. Given an integer array nums, find the continuous sub array with the maximum sum and return its sum. So here also a array of integer is given and you have to find the continuous sub array with the maximum sum. So this is again problem related to array. Next question is given two rectangle in a 2D plane, each defined by its bottom left and top right coordinates. Determine if two rectangles overlap. So here we have to find that we are given coordinates for the two rectangles and we have to find that whether both the rectangles overlap each other or not. Then next question is you are given 2x and a 100-floor building. Determine the minimum number of attempts required to find the highest floor from which an egg can be dropped without breaking. So the problem says that you are given with 2x and a building of 100 floors. So we have to find the minimum number of attempts from which floor the egg can be dropped without breaking. Next question is implement a stack using linked list with operation push, pop and pick. So we have to implement a stack using linked list having operation like push, pop and pick. Push is nothing but insert, pop is nothing but delete and pick is nothing but you can get the element from that. Next is related to tree. So you are given a root of a binary tree and you have to find its height. Next problem is also again from the binary tree, where you are given a root of a binary tree and you have to return the in order traversal of its node values. Basically it is a traversal related to it is a tree traversal, because we know like there are different ways by which can traverse the tree: in order, post order and pre-order. So we have to find the in order traversal of tree. Is implement a page replacement algorithm in Java for an operating system memory management system. So we have to implement this page replacement algorithm in Java by using, we can say that FIFO or LRU, so that we can manage this operating system memory. Question number 18 is again related to designing a sort URL. This is also very famous questions when it comes to the designing. In many of the interviews this question is asked, like design a scalable URL shortener like tinyURL. Explain the system architecture including services, API layer, database, hashing services, cache, redirect mechanism. So here you have to design a complete URL shortener just like a tinyURL. tinyURL is website which we use for shortening our URL. So we have to design a similar system like tinyURL, so that when you give the bigger length URL, it should give you the shorter URL like that. Next, describe the object oriented design process. So here you have to describe all the design process which are involved in the object oriented, so that you need to say in a detail. And the last question is explain each of the solid principle with examples. So again, this question is very famous. Many times this question is also asked when it comes to the Java interview, like explain solid principles. These are the 20 questions which I gathered, which are already asked in the Oracle interview questions. So I hope that this question is going to be helpful for the people who are going to prepare or having that interview in a pipeline. If someone has more questions, let me know in the comment section. And if someone wants the solution of any of the problem in this video, let me know in the comment section. I can create a separate video for that. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.